Hi everybody, today I wanted to quickly remind you of our help section. So if I look at my blue navigation bar up here at the top, I'm going to click on help. And if I go down here to teacher tools, all of these have both video tutorials and a PDF document of detailed directions on how to do any of these things. So if I'm just getting started out and I want to start assigning content to my students, for example, I'm going to click down here on assigning content. And you can see there's both a video tutorial as well as a PDF file with explicit directions on how to assign content to your students. So as you're learning STEMscopes and you're navigating your way around, if you forget how to do something or you haven't learned yet, go try and click on the help section and then go to the teacher tools. And you will find most everything that you need in order to use STEMscopes successfully. Thank you and have a great day.